We are going to learn and earn skills and experience through a professional project. So let's study the completed project to have an understanding of what we are going to build. Our mission is to create a modern look yet beautiful website for an educational institute named EduPlato. Now let's talk about the website components and details. We'll have a fixed header on top of the page. The navigation and social icons are in the right, and the logo is in the left. With a small scroll, the header will get a semi-transparent background to stand out among other web page components. Next, we have a full-width slider as the hero section. We'll fully customize the Bootstrap default carousel components to create the look and feel we want for the slider. Next is the features section. We are going to show some of the benefits and positive consequences of education in this small section. Next one is the professor section. It's to inform the users that the institute is hiring some of the best professors around the world. And this is a button to guide through the complete story. The next section will be the fields section. This section is to say the institute covers many fields of science. We'll create a nice parallax effect on top part of the section and a gradient overlay on top of it for the text to be more readable. Then introduce the fields through cars in the bottom part of the section. We also create a button to see more fields. Grades section is the next one. This is to introduce the vast range of education levels available in the institute. We'll create an exciting image with a diagonal cut on it on a parallax background to be more creative. The institute offers both in-person and virtual online courses. The courses section is to inform the students about this. The next section is the subscribe section. This section is to get the client's emails for the newsletter. From the design perspective, this section is kind of copy of professor section. We have the facilities section to introduce the facilities mostly available for in-person courses. The parallax effect and the overall style of this section is very similar to the field section. We'll create hover effects like opening of double doors in spaceships. More exciting, we will create an awesome pop-up effect completely with CSS, no JavaScript code. The next section is the awards section. The institute is the winner of so many awards, and this is a gallery to showcase them. We'll use a famous third-party carousel and customize it to fit our need. The next section will be the branches section. The institute has branches all over the world, and the users can find nearest branch to them through this section. We'll use Google Maps API with a custom style to show addresses in this section. We won't write JavaScript code for this, but use the service of an intermediate website instead. Next, we'll design a beautiful contact section for the users to ask questions or leave messages. We'll have a mini subscribe section right below the contact section. The last section, as you can guess, is the footer. Again, we try to be creative. We'll create an effect conducting two layers feeling to the user. The user will feel the layer on top is slithering over the one in the bottom. Okay, that was for the sections and page components. But stay with me to see what we have next. We'll make navigation from one section to another smooth to make our template more attractive. We'll make the template mobile-friendly and responsive to all screen sizes. Also, we'll create a mobile navigation step-by-step together. Good news is that I'll explain the process of creating it with details. Okay, that's enough for explaining and studying the project. Let's jump right into it to have fun together.